In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up Zerion wallet account. We'll go from opening the official site to installing the Chrome extension and setting a secure password so your wallet is ready to use with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to zerion.io. Take a moment to verify the URL is correct and that you see a secure connection in the address bar. Beginning from the official website helps you avoid impersonators and ensures you're getting the legitimate wallet. On the homepage, click the download button. You'll see options for different platforms. For this walkthrough, we're using the Chrome browser extension. Selecting that option will redirect you to the Chrome web store listing for Zerion Wallet. Confirm you're on the genuine page by checking the name and publisher details, then click Add to Chrome. Your browser will show a small dialog describing the permissions the extension needs. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install the wallet in a few seconds. You should see a confirmation message, and the Zerion icon will be available in your toolbar. If it's not visible, click the puzzle icon and pin Zerion so you can reach it quickly. If a new tab with a welcome screen doesn't open automatically, simply click the Zerion icon to launch the setup. On the setup screen, choose Create New Wallet. This creates a fresh wallet in your browser, which you can use to manage assets and interact with supported networks. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. This password is local to your device and is used to unlock Zerion in your browser. It's not your blockchain recovery phrase. Pick a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Aim for a longer passphrase that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. Type your password, then re-enter it to confirm. When both fields match, click Set Password. Zerion will finalize the initial setup and load the wallet interface. From here, you can explore the dashboard, view networks, and prepare to connect with decentralized applications. A quick but important security note. The password you just set protects access on this browser only. Inside the wallet, you'll also be guided to back up your recovery phrase. When you reach that step, follow the instructions carefully and store the phrase offline in a safe, private place. Never share it with anyone. That's it, your Zerion wallet is installed and unlocked. Pause and replay any section as needed while you complete these steps on your own device.